Welcome to Lesson 5, Equations Involving Multiplication and Division. This lesson is a continuation of Lesson 4, where we used equations to solve addition and subtraction questions. We know that subtraction and addition are opposites, and so are multiplication and division. They are opposites of one another as well. So let's jump right into it with an example. Billy shared a package of cookies with 5 friends. Each friend ate 3 cookies. How many did he have to begin with? So maybe we can begin by drawing ourselves a picture. So here are Billy's 5 friends. Remember, your pictures don't have to be really nice works of art, just simple pictures will do. So now let's draw each friend with 3 cookies. So here are the 5 friends with 3 cookies each. We'll just use a line here to separate them. So now let's see if we can use an equation to help us solve this problem. We have 5 friends. Each one has 3 cookies, so we're going to use multiplication. 5 times 3, and that equals, we'll say C for cookies, so we want to know how many he has altogether. So you probably know from your multiplication facts what 5 times 3 is, but you can always go through and just count one by one until you've counted all the cookies, and you will see that altogether he has 15 cookies. 5 times 3 is 15. So if 5 times 3 is equal to C, that's 5 groups with 3 in each group. Let's see if we can turn this around and create a division equation with these same numbers. Remember, division is the opposite of multiplication. So if 5 times 3 is equal to C, then if we went backwards, it would be C divided by 3 is equal to 5. And so we could ask ourselves, what number, if we divide it into 3 equal groups, will give us 5 in each group? And the answer we know is 15, but we could also say C divided by 5 is equal to 3. It's the same thing. So we know that the answer in both cases is 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. All these equations are true. They are correct. So we have just created 3 related equations using multiplication and division, and these equations all get us the same answer. C is equal to 15 in each one of these. So in this lesson we were using multiplication and division in equations to help us solve problems. So just one more example here. If we had 12 dots all together and we divided them into 6 equal groups, we see that there would be 2 in each group. So we could turn this around and turn into a multiplication sentence. Working backwards, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Equal to 12. We could also say, if we want to write another division, that 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. All these equations are related and they show the same thing. So please watch the video again, ask your teacher for help, and have fun solving equations using multiplication and division.